Hey, I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you now. Here. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yes. And I would add your photos here in the gallery link. And wait a sec, I'm going to show it to you now there. And also your contact details here in contact. And or maybe if you want to add some more info about the company or any services that you want to add, you can add it here. And also about the company, if you want to also add it. Now, if this website would be good for you or would be helpful for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply or let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention I am Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Yeah, thank you. Talk to you soon.